Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to create a simple website wherein you can showcase your portfolio and your personal skills in the field that you're good at. So I have here the link to the site. Just copy paste that one and then let's wait for it to load. It will redirect us to the main site. So look for the Your Software button or tab and then scroll a bit more. Look for the site builder and click the button Access My Account. It's gonna require you to log in. So I already have my username and the password. I'll just go ahead and click the login button. So it's giving us options. I'm using mobile and desktop sites for now. And then create a new site. Okay, just click OK. We have here other options or templates to use. I'm gonna use the digital for now. And then use this template. Yeah, I'm gonna click the OK button again. And then type in your name or the personal website that you wanted, the title of the personal website. Click OK. Okay. So this is the interface of the editable website. I'll just click the home link and then look for Juan de la Cruz. I'm gonna change the name of Juan de la Cruz to my name, which is this will serve as my portfolio. So I'm gonna use my name. You can change the font size, the font name. I'm gonna center it and then change the color. The digital is your title, so keep it at, as is. The size will be smaller and the font will be different as well. Okay. From there, I'll look for yeah, you can already upload your picture profile for that one. I already have my ID for this one, so I just click the upload and wait for it to be done. So processing. Okay, it's done. And then look for the buttons. I'm gonna add my phone number and this one so customers or client will be able to contact me via phone. You can put like call now or call me and then both on website and mobile. I'm gonna put an icon on this one like a phone icon. So let me search for the phone icon for this. There you have it. Click OK and then I'm gonna add as well the oh sorry. Okay. I'm gonna add another button which is the email. Okay, so I'm gonna put my email address here. Then the name will be email me. Same both on site and mobile and then just center it. The icon will be like a mail or yeah, something like this, but I wanted all black. Yeah, there. Here it is. Click that one and then um you can opt to save and update here or there. So there's two button. You can just save and then view the site on the upper left of that mobile phone. So here there's an option of digital or units wherein the site can be seen from phone, desktop, or even tablet. So click the view button and then yeah, I already created my simple website portfolio. I hope you guys like this simple tutorial and I hope you learned from this step-by-step instructions. You have a great day.